Well, here's an oldie but goodie. This is a HRA214 Honda mower, self-propelled with a 2-speed transmission. And as you can see, it's seen plenty of use. It's got dents on the front of it. Just dents all over it. The deck is starting to rust out. It's got grass coming out the rust holes. It's been welded one time right here. But it's really needed no maintenance other than just oil changes. And it's always ran good. It's been well used. I'll see how it runs. We don't really use it anymore. We have a riding mower, but at one time, for several years, we used to mow this entire backyard with this one mower. I don't think that's legal in California.